Hey guys, Jojo here. And today I want to talk to you about this thing. Um, well, this and a few other things. At the beginning of the pandemic, I decided to get into this whole YouTube thing, vlogging and making videos for people. And I found out, pretty um, not too long after I got into it, I realized GoPro alone, just the camera alone is not gonna cut it. I need a microphone, a good microphone for it because, to get better quality audio. And, because when you just have a front-facing microphone from the camera, it doesn't pick up everything, and it's selective with like if I turn away like that, you're not gonna, the audio will disappear. If I look away, I can't go far as far back as I want because I don't have a microphone, and this microphone can only pick up, sound from so far. So I read up on, a few things that I could get, and so I went ahead. This was not easy because at the beginning of the pandemic, these things were out of stock. This is so you basically, it's an adapter for charging your GoPro and maybe data transfer and also your mic input right there. But as you can see, this is pretty much the size of a GoPro. So they have developed, different companies have developed ways for you to kind of mount it so it doesn't look so ridiculous for vlogging. So I invested in that, and then I had to invest in something like this to house the GoPro and also house this. This goes right at the bottom right here, and then the GoPro goes of course in here. And then I got a microphone, a Purple Panda microphone. It comes in a box like that, pretty inexpensive but really good. And I thought that was it. You get a few things with the microphone. You get a microphone with a TRRS connector, an extension 9.8 feet or 3-meter extension cord for that connector, and then you also get a TRS connector. This is going to be key in what I'm going to talk to you guys about. And then of course you get a mini USB adapter. You get a fuzzy screen for when you're in windy environments and stuff like that. But of course I didn't read this whole thing. I looked at what I wanted to see, and I just, typical, like a typical guy, I just went ahead and connected. I'll show you what I did. So basically I connected my microphone to, if I can get that right, directly into that, and started vlogging. At one point, in points where I had to move around, or I didn't want to be so close to the camera, I used the extender, plug that in, plug this in, moved away, and continued recording. And as you can see from my previous video, if you have watched that one, I didn't have audio at the end of the day. So don't be like me. Just read the manual. If you of course, this doesn't come with a manual, and that's a problem. And it should. You guys at GoPro, please fix that, because it actually unlocks a few features in the GoPro for you to be able to manage your audio, hook up whichever kind of microphone in the GoPro. This unlocks those settings, and it doesn't come with any instructions. So that was strange. I thought I had it, I didn't. and I ended up losing audio on 2 different projects. So I just wanted to make this video real quick so that I can show you guys so you don't make the same mistake I did. So this definitely doesn't work. You can't just plug the microphone directly into the adapter, and it's confusing because you can just plug this into a phone. Even when I use it with my iPhone, and I just plug it into that adapter, it works. So I knew the microphone was fine, and when I use my microphone from the iPhone to the GoPro, it actually worked. So I didn't know what was going on because the mic seemed to be working, and when I actually hooked the GoPro to my DJ rig, it worked. It picked up that line audio. So I was wondering what the problem is, and the issue is you actually have to hook it up to bring it back down from TRRS, the 3-ring connector. This one has to go into that adapter. If you can see the difference, this one has 3 rings, this one has 2 rings. So you have to hook this into that, and then this, the TRS, is what hooks into that, and then the microphone will work. So this has been me talking to you directly using the GoPro's mic, and now I'm going to show you what I sound like with this microphone. Okay, so this is how I sound like with the microphone. I'm not sure if you're able to make a difference, if the difference is any noticeable from where you're standing. I'm gonna try and face that way and speak, and face this way and still speak, and see if the audio levels pretty much stay the same. They should. I mean, I'm just doing this for fun. I'm just gonna step away a little bit, maybe about 10 feet away over here, and hoping the audio is still the same, and that is what I was looking for. Even when I step out of frame and leave you to see my Christmas tree, I still sound the same, and that was my goal. So yeah, don't be like me. Be better than me, do better than me. When you buy some piece of tech, even when it doesn't seem like complicated, if it comes with instructions, just read the instructions. It was so obvious to me. I mean, I'm a DJ. I do a lot of DJ stuff and audio. I deal with audio a lot, but here we are. I still lost 2 projects, and but I learned from it, and I want you to learn from my mistakes as well. So if you liked it, the video, if it was informative to you, gave you any value, just give the video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and if you have any thoughts, put them down in the comment section, and we'll talk about it. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.